behind the lines, and we'll get this count started in 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, we are going to get going with qualification match 16. Fairly close here in the Auto Phantom circuits, and bit buckets contributing heavily on either side. The gong sound signaling the start of the driver-operated period with the students in control. 26-62, they are going to start trying to corral a note down into that amp, and they do before moving over into hostile territory. Over on the red side of the field, 77-75, the Phantom circuits, they are going to hit that amp consistently. They're already in playoff form here. This is what they've done on all of their elimination alliances in ARL. With 30-18 to play, something to note is that the winning alliance did have a defense spot, but it did look like the number 1 seed, the favorites, had triple offense. That'll be something the scouts will take into account as we get down the line. And 99-95, no doubt, knows that. The Degrees of Freedom B trying to show out because these picks might be a bit more defensively geared, if we're being honest. All right, with a minute left to play, 90-91 Coltec, with all of their drapery and duct tape holding them together, they are going to work over in their side of the field. They're just going to try bottlenecking, forcing the Red Alliance to move around. Teams like this that can swap strategies are generally seen as useful, from ARL all the way up to Einstein level. So that is only a mark for them as we get about halfway through quals. Okay, now Red making a prudent choice, climbing early. We're going to see 30 seconds left. The bit bucket's going to try. However, Degrees of Freedom B is going to knock them just off the mark, keeping this close, 38-30, as we get down into the final stretch. Now that we're in the end game, the scorers can finally count that 39-44 climb. Phantom circuits also in the air with a high note. They'll get an extra point on that climb for that. With 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That'll be the end of our match. Some strategy pioneering here. And it looks like the Blue Alliance comes out on top, 40-38, a tight one. Red decided to get weird with it and almost came out on